Cha-ching!
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you recall, it's been a while since my last video. That's because we haven't had much going on since we had to get rid of our previous project. The 1967 Pawson Hobo was a really cool boat, but tragically the hull bottom was far too rotted out for us to economically restore. So today we are traveling north to pick up a new project. Well, at least it's new to us. After a good bit of I-4 and I-75 traffic, we arrived in Spring Hill to meet the seller. The boat is a 1989 Bay Hawk 200. The hull is about 20 feet long and over 7.5 feet wide. While she definitely needs some love, the hull looks and feels like it is in much better shape than the Hobo was. This hull was built with hand-laid fiberglass and no wood core in the bottom. It came with 3 of the original Bayhawk seats in decent condition. Not sure if I'll use them, but I thought it was a really cool detail. After getting it hooked up and moved out of the yard, we spent an hour or so in Walmart's parking lot making her road ready. We had to ghetto rig a trailer light set just to get us home safely. So here's the basic plan for now. If possible, I'd like to take some of the stuff we really loved about the Hobo and combine it with the longer hull of the Bayhawk, creating a hybrid houseboat of sorts for some overnight adventures. I'll be sharing some more ideas and plans soon. We'll be starting the cleanup and tear down as soon as the paperwork is done. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching.
Cha-ching!